This man is harassing the girl. In contrast to the girl's beauty, the man has an irritating face. The age difference between them is also striking. The man looks in his 40s, while the girl looks like she's 15 at most. Moreover, her eyes are filled with tears, and she has another concern. Look at her clothing. It's pitch black. She probably lost a relative and is either going to a funeral or returning from a funeral on the train journey she took. And despite knowing that the girl is in a summer process, this man stubbornly tries to get close to her and shows his level by not showing any sensitivity. There are not only two figures in the work, there is also a third figure in the back. This old man looks annoyed. He is secretly ashamed of what this man on the other side is doing. He wants to stop him, but he does not seem to have the courage, because it's obvious that the girl is uncomfortable with this man, and he is looking at us. It's also meaningful. The fourth figure in the work is us, and the girl looks at him as if asking for help, and expects him not to stop this man who is harassing her.